tama.
It is actually divided in two parts, Upper Session Road and Lower Session Road. Upper Session Road extending from the post office to Leonard Wood Road and the foot of Luneta Hill, where to the Rotonda cutting towards South Drive. Nuwakan Airport and military cut-off towards Canal Road. Lower Session Road extending eastward from Magsaysay Avenue to the BCBC in the intersection of Father Carlos Street, the area where are located among others. We are now here at Lower Session Road, extending